Welcome at Gleefa Craft. Hello friends. Today, we learn how to make paper butterfly using easy steps. Let's get started. Take a square paper sheet. Fold the paper along the center, and then crease well. Take a scissors, and cut the paper into half, with the help of an adult person. Now, take one piece of paper. Make accordion fold as shown in the video. Make fold into half and then open the flaps to make wings as shown in video. Now take remaining sheet of paper. Fold it along the center and crease well. Unfold the paper. Fold the corners along the center as shown. Fold it as shown. Now fold 3 times as shown. Flip over it. Once again this side fold 3 times as shown. Make fold into half and then open the flaps to make wings as shown in video. Attach both wings as shown. Tie with a thread. Wow! Your beautiful butterfly is ready to fly. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.